Hey guys, it's JayCee Chandler back again. I am popping on to just give you guys an idea, just in case you have some of the supplies. This is what I felt like doing on the Create Along for today, Saturday, August 24th. Just popping in to say if you have some napkins and some kind of wood bead and some clear glue or some Mod Podge, we're gonna do some decoupage. I had a friend ask for some blue and white using this style bead, and I think we're gonna create live. Not sure what's gonna happen, but we'll see, right? That's how we do. I hope you guys join me. Please join, share this and let some folks know just in case. And you don't have to create this. You can create something else while we just hang out. Let's see. You're gonna need some scissors. You're gonna need a fan, something to put these on to dry. I'll have everything when we get started, but basically you're gonna need some napkins, something to put the decoupage on, and some glue, basically. All right, guys, I hope to see you at 4 o'clock today. See you soon and be amazing. Bye.